Want to turn creativity into a cozy business? Imagine making candles that stands out, customized just by you. Let me show you the complete process even if it's your first venture. First, write down your own ideas on your sheet and then we will move forward with the research. Check Google Images for trending designs and explore Google Shoppings to see what's currently popular. Remember, our focus is on building a business, so we will be selling on our website as well as other marketplaces like Amazon. Keep that in mind as we move forward. We can get creative and build an audience through social media later. But if you are not planning to handle manufacturing yourself, it's essential to focus on platform specific trends first. Also, keep an eye on social media pages that market products without showing the creation process. Let's write down all the details of these listings, including any recurring designs or scents. Later, you can use tools like Helium 10 or Jungle Scout, but I usually start by going through the first few pages and keep an eye on the BSR bestseller rank. Check each platform carefully. On Etsy, try adding products from the first few pages to your cart to see if others are buying them. Also, look for items with the bestseller tag to gauge current demand. Record all the information in the Excel sheet using the template provided in the description. Don't forget to check trends on Alibaba as well. Look for new arrival designs and the latest trend to see what products sellers worldwide are purchasing. After completing your research, open your Excel sheet and organize all your ideas. Then gather the design information and input it into ChatGPT to help filter and refine your ideas. Do the same for scent and other relevant details. Now it's time to select a manufacturer. Apply filters to trade assurance and verified supplier. Closely review each detail and customer comment on Alibaba. Let's focus specifically on glass jars. Selecting a manufacturer is crucial as you will be investing thousands of dollars. Conduct a thorough research and take detailed note on all relevant information to make an informed decision. I typically conduct background checks and search for those companies on Google. You can contact them directly if they have their own website. While Alibaba is secure for financial transactions, remember to never send 100% of your payment before the manufacturer completes the work. Instead, apply the 30-70 payment rule and always order a sample first. Now, let's decide on our brand name. My method is pretty simple. I go to Wikipedia and explore ancient languages, selecting the name that carry deep meanings. Select a word with a meaningful origin, and we can modify it slightly to ensure it's unique, as many of these names may already be registered as domain names or brand names. Copy the name and paste it into Squarespace to check domain availability. Also, check if the username are available across social media platforms. Don't stress too much if the username aren't available on all platforms. Now, add something before or after the name to see if the domain and usernames become available. You can try different variations like adding official, shop, or your niche to find an available option. If available, buy it from here. Now, let's start by creating our website. You can also begin working on SEO to attract organic traffic from Google. This will help your site gain visibility and reach more potential customers. Sign in with Google and click on Create New Site. Now add all the details here, including your brand name, the product you are selling, product descriptions, your goals, and your target customers. This step will also help you brainstorm ideas about your brand's identity. At each step, you will start seeing previews of how your site will look. You can certainly do this manually, but using AI can also be helpful in streamlining the process. After completing all the steps, let's see what Wix generate for your website. Here, complete all the steps and let's go to the design side. From these two options, choose which one you prefer. For the purpose of this video, let's go with generate a design with AI. If you would like a separate video for this, just let me know in the comments. Now, let the AI generate a website template for you. If you like the design, feel free to proceed with it. If you want another version, simply click on Generate Site. You can check out different version of the template here. As I mentioned, I will definitely guide you on how to start a business. Even if this is your first venture and you are hesitant to invest a lot of money upfront. In those cases, you can skip Alibaba and start with Printful. While it may limit your design options and scent choices, it's a great way to start small. You can always transition to Alibaba later as your business grows. Click on Create Product Template and upload a simple design. Let's create an appealing design using Microsoft Dolly with a focus on holiday trends to capture customer attention. This seasonal approach can make your product stand out during peak shopping time. Go ahead and remove the background from the image you want, or simply upload it directly to Printful. Set the image here. I am setting a background image. You can click on upload and add as many images as you want. You can go to the layers section and select the front and back images. Adjust the image and click on the mockup to see how it will look. Finally, click on Save Product Template. Now here click on Add to Store, select Platform. You can even create your Amazon Seller Central account from here. You have many e-commerce platforms to choose from if you are using Printful, including Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, and Wix. Each has its own features, so pick the one that best suits your business needs. Now let's go ahead and hit proceed to mockups. Select basic mockups for now. Later I will show you how to download these mockups as well. Now open the sheets where you have saved all the information about trending products and keywords, and also maintain a sheet with your own product details. Check your competitors' listing and write down their titles and description. You can also ask ChatGPT to help you with this step if you would like. Copy and paste everything and don't forget to add relevant keywords you want to target along with the trending keywords as well. This will help optimize your product listing for better visibility. Once done, hit continue. For pricing, conduct competitor analysis and trend analysis again. If you are using Alibaba as a manufacturer, consider setting a price that stands out, sometimes even higher than your competitors. A premium price can convey that your product is high quality. However, for this strategy to work, you must maintain premium quality to earn better ratings and customer trust. This business can definitely yield high profits if you are making the product at home. You can create reels and short to promote it, selling your product directly on social media as well. This helps build visibility and attract customer organically. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.